candy. I'm eating candy. Okay, listen. So, I was getting ready. Oh my god. Okay. So, I was getting ready. And is that the rudest thing when people get on live and they're eating? Do you know every time I get on live, I'm eating? Okay. My hair is back because I'm going to show you something super cool, right? Hi, Olga. How are you? Okay. So, this is super cool. I learned it from staring at YouTube. You guys, my allergies are so... You wouldn't know it's snowing. My allergies are so bad this eye won't stop watering. But I'm going to show you the coolest trick. So, you use a blow dryer. Oh, I just dropped this one too. I hope it still works. Okay, so use a blow dryer. Now, if you want super big... Hi, Heidi. If you want super big lashes, it's literally 3 steps. It seems like it's a lot, and you're going to be like, are you for real? But, like, this is literally only 1 coat. And see how it kind of looks kind of big. I mean, it's not big like my falsies. Let's not get it twisted. But it's big, right? I'm doing good. I'm good. I'm good. We're waiting on my daughter's car to get out of the shop for the 2nd time. This is like the never-ending car accident. It's driving me batty. But let me show you. Okay. So I don't have... Hi, Raina. Or is it Raina? It's Raina, right? I don't have my Vic mascara yet. So I was like, I could wait, but then I feel like you guys want to know. Hi, Amy. So I'm going to do it really fast. You just need a primer and a mascara. So this is a Lorac primer, and then this is just my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now watch. You're going to need that, and then you need a spoolie, because it's going to make your lashes so long you got to clean it up. I promise. I promise. I'm not kidding. Yes, you were saying it right. Oh, okay, good. I hope you close your eyes when you blow warm air in your eyes. I have to. I have contacts in. Otherwise, my contact would be popping out and I wouldn't be able to see you anyway. So, take the primer, right? And I'm just going to put it on my lash. Can you see what I'm doing? And it's okay if you get this on your lid itself. It's totally fine because we have the cool spoolie, and it helps us, right? Now, I'm not the biggest fan of this primer. I really want to get my Vic primer just because it actually nourishes your lashes on top of it, but we work with what we work with, huh? I can't wait for Vicks. I know, me neither. Okay. So then, you take this, and I put this thing on the end so it would be concentrated because, Lord have mercy, air goes everywhere. And then don't put it up your nose because then you won't breathe. Do you know how, like, dogs, when they get air in their nose and they're like, it's just, that's the same thing happens to humans. Swear to God, it's happened to me now 5 times. It's insane. So I put it right here because I have contacts. So if you have contacts, this is probably the best way for you. Otherwise, like, your contact is popping out. So I take it like this, right? And then I close my eye. So see how it's away from my nostril so I'm not like choking? Because you will choke. All right, I go like this. And it's cold air. Now do you see why my hair's in a pony? If I had already curled my hair, I'd be so mad. Okay, so I did it with the primer. Now I'm going to go back with the real mascara. So primer first, then normal mascara. Okay? Now, this is why I always wear falsies because I'm trying to get into mascara since my company's about to launch it. So I'm really trying to get back into the groove of it. I'm normally a total falsie girl because I just feel like they're so easy. Pop them on, you walk out the door, you don't have to worry. But listen, Mama's dealing with mascara now. I'm a mascara dealer. So I'm going to learn all the tricks. And then I'll tell you guys all the tricks. I also learned a really cool one for women in their late 30s, upper 40s, like with wrinkles. Dude, it was a really cool trick. So I will do that as well. I'm back into like learning mode. I took some time off, and you should never take time off with learning. Okay, so see how I just put it on? Now watch. Normal mascara. Again, don't stick it up your nose. Don't do it. You won't be able to breathe. Okay, so just like this. So see how it's under? Close your eye and put it cold. It's on cold. I have contacts in, so know that if you have contacts, you can still rock it. What is that movie? There's Something About Mary. Check it out. See how like tall they are? Now that's just one coat. So do you see? Like what do those people do? They go like this. I'll take a picture. I'll show a good picture, but it sticks them like way up. Now a lot of times I'll get some mascara on the top of my lid, and I like to do my eyeshadow first before I do anything else. So just because if I have fallout, it's easier to clean it up. So I'll take a spoolie and just really lightly rub it anywhere the mascara touched. And the spoolie takes it off, and it doesn't take off your eye makeup. So you're like, thank you, Lord Jesus, all that work didn't go to waste. Know what I'm saying? So anyway, I'll probably do it like 1 or 2 more times just to get more volume. I already have the length at this point, but I like a lot of volume because I'm used to falsies all the time, so volume's kind of like my jam. So I'll do that, like I'll just do another coat and then I'll spray the air, and then I might do one more coat depending on how. I don't like it to be like too chunky, like, you know, the chunky look, but I like it to be like, oh yeah, okay, like, are those real, are those fake, what are those? So just so you know, it's not just one time. You'll get really good length with the one time because you did the primer and then the mascara. But then do like 1 or 2 more times and you'll like it. I always do my mascara last. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Hi, Petra. I didn't even know you were on. Hi, Renee. I didn't know you were on, too. I know. You know, I'm getting back into my mascara. I got lazy with the fall. You know what I mean? You throw a coat of mascara on, you throw your falsies on, you walk out the door, you're like, oh, life's good. But now I'm doing the mascara thing. I'm getting my lashes back. They're coming back. So I'm going to go and do this disaster. But I'll see you guys later. Thank you for hopping on.